Cancer-causing foods that you should avoid. Cancer is one of the major and most dangerous diseases in the world. According to the World Health Organization's 2003 report, cancer rates can increase further by 50%, i.e. to 15 million new cases in 2020. However, they also say that 1/3 of cancer can be prevented by avoiding cancer-causing foods, smoking, and infection. According to WHO 2015 report, these are the major causes of cancer. As you can see, 30% of cancer comes from the diet in Dubai and other developed countries. As a part of UAE or any other developed Middle Eastern country, you would have noticed the gradual lifestyle changes from traditional to a more Western lifestyle. This lifestyle is related to food, a high-caloric diet that is rich in fat, refined animal protein, and carbohydrates. Combine it with low physical activity and you can link it to a lot of diseases like obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure, and cancer. So, here's the thing, do a self-evaluation and see what you normally eat. Make a list and compare it to the following list to see if you are eating cancer-causing foods. If you are, scratch them off your list and your life to live a more healthy life. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. The industry of genetically modified crops is growing exponentially. They are like everywhere because 90% of corn and soy are genetically modified. Experts agree that enough testing wasn't done before they were introduced in the market and added in thousands of products. What you can do about it is to check the labels of the products and buy GMO-free diet as much as possible. Reading labels is hectic and many countries don't place restrictions on GMO foods. So, what you can do is to see if the label says that the food is organic, all natural, or the product has a seal that says non-GMO project verified. They are safer options. Cancer-causing foods, processed foods. Processed foods definitely cause cancer. The word processed causes some confusion. For the sake of clarification, foods that are chemically processed and made from artificial or refined ingredients are called processed foods. They are high in salt, sugar, and fats to add more flavors and increase their shelf life. So, you should stay away from cereals, processed meat, tinned vegetables, microwave, and ready meals. Prefer organic and home-cooked meals. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn is convenient and it tastes good, but the bags of these microwave popcorns are lined with harmful chemicals. These chemicals not only cause infertility but also pancreatic, liver and testicular cancers. Besides this, the artificial butter flavoring contains diacetyl chemical which is toxic for humans and causes lung cancer. Soda and carbonated drinks. That doesn't come as a surprise because soda is linked to many health issues. Filled with high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, food coloring and a lot of chemicals, it literally acidifies your body and leads to cancer. They don't provide any nutritional value and still contribute to obesity and diabetes. Diet beverages. Diet beverages are even more harmful because of artificial sweeteners like aspartame. In a recent scientific review issued by the European Food Safety Authority, many studies found that aspartame causes cancer and birth defects. Avoid them like a plague and go for healthier beverages like tea, coffee, lemonade, smoothies, real fruit juices, etc. Refined sugars. Besides rapidly spiking your insulin levels, refined sugars also feed the growth of cancer cells. The biggest danger comes from HFCS because cancer cells easily metabolize them to grow. Cakes, cookies, pies, cereals, sodas, juices and other popular and processed food items are loaded with HFCS. This explains the rise in the rates of cancer. Cancer-causing foods, refined white flour. When flour is refined, it is stripped from all nutritional value and then it is bleached with chlorine gas to make it appealing. What is more concerning is its excess carbohydrate content. It spikes your insulin levels without giving any nutritional fuel. A study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Mile Markers and Prevention links the consumption of refined white flour with breast cancer in women. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon is also one of the major carcinogenic because it is raised in a crowded environment. Added to this, it is treated with antibiotics, pesticides, polychlorinated biphenyls, flame retards, and other carcinogenic chemicals. Farmed salmon also lacks vitamin D and contains lesser omega-3 as compared to wild salmon. Potato chips. All of us like the crunchy and flavored potato chips, but their negative effects on the body doesn't make them worth the taste. They are high in fat and calories, which results in weight gain. Besides that trans fat stuff, they contain excess sodium, which causes high blood pressure. Moreover, potato chips contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and food colors. Finally, what's more dangerous about potato chips is the fact that they are fried in high temperatures to make them crispy, but this causes them to make acrylamide. This acrylamide is a known carcinogen which is also found in cigarettes. Hydrogenated oils. Vegetable oils cannot be extracted naturally like butter. So, they are chemically removed from their source and more chemicals are added to make them more appealing for the consumers. Basically, vegetable oils are hydrogenated oils. They contain high amounts of omega-6 fatty acid which cause heart disease and cancer. Hydrogenated oils cause cancer because they change the structure of our cell membranes. They are also used to preserve processed foods. Alcohol. You might have already know that tobacco and alcohol cause cancer. However, it is also true that alcohol has proven useful in reducing the heart disease risk, but its overdose can lead to heart failure or even stroke beside cancer. It is the second leading cause of cancer, after tobacco. Experts working for the World Health Organization proved that excessive intake of alcohol can lead to mouth, liver, rectum, colon, esophagus and female breast cancers. If you are addicted to wine, then limit your daily consumption at 1 glass per day for women and 2 glasses for men. Canned tomatoes. What are you talking about? Are you thinking like such? This may be because you have heard that lycopene in tomatoes lowers the risk of cancer. Yes, this is true, but unfortunately the entire benefit gets cancelled through the lining of canned tomatoes, which contains chemicals called bisphenol A or BPA that disrupts the hormonal activity in the body, example tomato sauce. The BPA can increase the risk of breast cancer, prostate cancer, early puberty, infertility, metabolic disorders and type 2 diabetes. And we are aware of the fact that tomatoes are highly acidic, which result in chemical BPA to leach from the lining of the can into tomatoes. This can lead to different types of cancers, heart disease, and reproductive problems. From now, make sure to use the fresh tomatoes when you cook a meal or planning to prepare a tomato sauce, then store it in the glass jars.